Remove the 4 screws securing the fan. Cut the cable ties. Pull the plugs. Remove the self-wrapping fabric. Remove the damaged fan. Replace the fan with a new one. Pay attention to put the fan cable on top. Tie the self-wrap fabric. Plug in. Tie and cut off excess cable ties.